Hello students. Today we have another lesson about bonuses. Today, by picking up the Sheriff Star, the player will receive a combo from the machine gun and a double espresso. As you probably already guessed, we need a third box. Place it next to the line. Give it a name, Box Sheriff. Go to the shader editor. Copy the material and rename the new material to Box Sheriff. In the texture block, press the Open Image button and change the picture to Box Sheriff Diffuse. Now let's go to the object properties. Just in case, make sure we need to select the last box. Change the value of the bonus type variable to Sheriff. Open our favorite logic node editor. Go to the box spawn branch and spawn the third box. Specify its name as Sheriff Box, connect random coordinates to it. Start the game. If there are 3 boxes on the scene, everything is according to plan. Now we need to set up a reaction to contact with the new box. To do this, go to the box collision branch. Copy the condition. Place it below and connect it to the false channel from the previous check. In the string block, let's change the value to Sheriff. Now the condition sounds like this. If the bonus type variable in the picked up box is equal to Sheriff. Now we need to change 3 variables: firing speed, bullet speed, and character speed. And after 6 seconds, return all values to their original state. All the necessary blocks are on the screen. Just copy them and arrange them below. Combine these 2 blocks into one frame. Change the label. Next, copy the combination of object deletion and timer. After that, again, combine the 2 frames into one. That's it. Let's start the game. Sequentially check all the boxes. If everything works, then we move on. Let's copy the box 3 more times and give the copies normal names: Box Shotgun, Box Wheel, and Box Explode. Open the shader editor. Now, one by one, select the boxes, copy the material, give the material the same name as the box, and change the texture to the one corresponding to the name. Now let's think about what to do with this group of boxes. These boxes differ from the previous 3 because they will not change the firing speed but the mechanics. For example, a shotgun will shoot 3 bullets at once, and they will fly at different angle with a slight spread. The wheel will allow shooting in all directions at once. And the explosion will knock down all enemies in the radius without any shooting. To implement this, we won't get by with just variables. We'll have to add new shooting algorithms. We'll deal with this later. In the meantime, take a break. Bye for now.